you ready for today's 4 for More quarantine workout? We've got 4 exercises, 4 rounds, 45 seconds work with 15-second rest, and then a 60-second break in between those 4 exercises. So come on, let's go. Welcome back to the Body Fix Fitness channel. I'm so glad you are here for another awesome workout. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a circuit. So we're going to start off with a step up. So we're going to put 2 things in there though. We're going to do a step up to a reverse lunge. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Right over here. You can do this on a bench or you can do it on a step. So you could go outside on the sidewalk and do this on the sidewalk. So over here is an example. I have a small step you can do it on. So you're going to step up and then you're going to reverse lunge. But I want to show you on the bench a little bit closer. Okay, so you don't have to have anything this high up. You can go lower. Okay. It just depends on your level, your skill level, and how long you've been exercising. Your balance is a big issue as well in this exercise, so this will help with that. So what we're going to do is you're going to step with 1 foot and 1 foot on the ground. What I want you to do is make sure you step with the mid part of your foot to heel. Do not step with your toe, okay? Keep those abs super tight and your body really tight because this will help with your balance issue. So we're going to come up, bring this knee up, and then we're going to go back down into a reverse lunge. So we're starting here, come up, down, and now reverse lunge, bend that back knee, and then up, okay? So a little tip you can do if your balance is off. You're gonna do your step, tap, come back down, and then do your lunge. So if you have balance issues, that's another option. So we're going up, down, reverse, and stand, and then we're going to take the other leg and do the same thing. So I want you to alternate your legs. Back here on the smaller step, same technique with this lower step. You're going to start here, step up, down, reverse lunge, bending that back knee, and stand. Reverse, down, and stand. Do that for 45 seconds. Now, our next exercise is a tricep dip exercise. You can do this on your coffee table, you can do this on a bench if you have it, or a chair that's real stable. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your hands close to your butt. Okay, you want them right close. You don't want them way out here. You want them up here. Okay, shoulders are back and down. Keep your bottom close to that stable surface. And we're going to bend our elbows straight back. Come down as far as you can and push up. Don't lock out your elbows at the top though. Come down and up, down and up. Now see how my knees are bent? That's a modified version. Bring your legs straight out, that will make it harder. Come down and push up because you're going to be pushing up your entire body weight that way. Bending your knees gives you a little, not as much resistance on it. Down and up. Okay, so our third exercise, we're going to the floor. This is 2 and 1 as well. We're going to get down, we're going to start in a high plank position. So I want your hands under your shoulders and you're going to be on your toes. Okay, you're starting in this position. Your body is very straight and flat. Abs are super tight, shoulders are back and down, and we're going to come down on our elbows. Down, up, down, up, 4 times. When you get those 4 done, I want you to do 4 plank jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 rep. Now, the second one, we're gonna lead with our other arm. Down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, repeat that for 45 seconds as well. Now, we have skaters. So, I'm going to do it right here in this space. I'm gonna move this over. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with one leg back, just like this, okay? So first I'm going to show you the step version and then I'll show you the jumping version. You'll start here, hips are facing forward, step, back, almost like a curtsy lunge, okay? This is the movement. Now, here's our jump. Push off with that leg, push, 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 and just keep that up for 45 seconds. All right? So, are you ready to get this workout done? Let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our step ups to reverse lunge. So you don't have to rush through this. You wanna go with form over rushing. So we're going to use, I'm gonna use my phone as a timer. So we're gonna do this for 45 seconds. And go. Up, and reverse lunge, then switch legs. Up, down. Up, bend that back knee. Keep those abs super tight. Up, down, up, and back. 15 seconds. See, my balance is off as well. Those abs tight. And back. You have 5 seconds. Up and back. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. So, we're going to do that. Go straight into your tricep dips. Take a 15-second break. You got 3, 2, and 1. Bend those elbows back. And remember, straight out is harder. Knees bent is a little bit easier. Out, hard. In, relieves you a little bit. Keep going. Bend those elbows back, don't lock them out. 15 seconds left. Challenge yourself. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and rest. 15 seconds to get to your next position. Down on the floor. If you need to, you can also do this one on your knees. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Down, up. Try not to shake your hips around too much. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up. 2, 3, 4. Now if you need to do it on your knees, just keep your hips down, down, up, down, up. Just pop back up. 3 and 4. On those knees, down, up, down, up. And you can also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we have one more. Your 15-second break. Skaters. All right, we got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Back and jump. Back and forth. Keep those hips facing forward. Good. Push off with that foot. This one's fun. And push, push. Keep that chest high. Look forward. Good, got it. 15 seconds. Breathe. 10 seconds. In that back knee. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now you get a minute rest. All right, so I want you to repeat that 3 more times. Awesome, great job. Whoops, dropped my phone. So, see, I'm out of breath. That 60-second break will help you bring that heart rate back down, and then we're gonna get right back to work for 3 more rounds. I hope you're having fun. Thank you so much for doing this workout with me today. It was a lot of fun. I hope you had fun too. Put down in the comments what you thought of this workout compared to Tuesday's Tabata that we did, and share this with your friends so they can keep their body moving during this quarantine. We don't want to just sit on the sofa all day and watch Netflix, which is fun sometimes, but we really gotta move our body so we can really boost that immune system and eat those healthy foods. So I will see you next Tuesday. Until then, keep that body moving.